You was showing Tyler with the pictures.
You can't see it on camera?
Ooh, that was hard, huh? You not impressed?
We're doing a NorCal mission. Basically, we're gonna be doing some commercial fleets, or one commercial fleet. We're gonna be doing about 12 trucks. We're gonna Parlier first. We're gonna just do one door decal and check some of the units there, make sure they're all good to go. And right after that, we're heading over to Dixon, which is a little bit past Sacramento. It's like a total of 8-hour drive or something like that. But we're here with the little squad. We got a little Josh.
What's up?
We got D'Angelo, the executive janitor. And then we got Cardi in the back.
Don't get me.
D'Angelo's over here amazed because there's snow. Like he never seen snow before.
I've never seen snow.
You never touched snow?
Never touched it.
You want to pull over to the side and touch the snow?
What's going on, buddy? Hey! I can see my breath.
It's snow, dude.
It's out here with it. Where's your jacket? I know you're cold.
This is Kraft macaroni and cheese. Not macaroni and cheese, that's what we make cheese slices.
Kraft, as you can see, look at the sign. It's Kraft. Kraft.
Kraft makes a lot of
It's Kraft cheese. Kraft cheese. They also make macaroni and cheese. Kraft makes a lot. It's not that good, honestly.
Damn.
I tried to move. Man, look, Joe. Man, this nigga.
You finna eat some booty chips.
Yeah, you know what? Hey, you never really know what is the best macaroni and cheese. Oh, it's World Oil, my bad.
And we're here.
Do I pull in here?
Yes.
It's dumb, bro. I don't know. I know where.
Stop puffing and puffing. Female.
The big homie here.
We made it to the first stop. We got Josh out here taking off the old decal. We're just doing a quick door decal. This truck needs to go back in service, so we're just gonna do a quick decal. We're gonna come back next week and do a full wrap on it, but we're just gonna prep it for the door decal and then continue our trip. You got eczema?
You got them and1s on.
How you got team sandals on?
Look at the boss out here doing the light work. Hardest part, right? Ooh. You be f***ing my shots up.
I gotta dance. I really like when I get that.
You know what it is? It's a titty bit nipply.
Please go somewhere. Please get out in front of the camera.
Maybe you don't. Decal graphic here. Make sure you're not pulling too fast. You want to give it the right amount of force here. Get as close as you can to that. Not too bad.
That's how you know it's certified official. We won't do no fake.
just post
no
it.
counterfeit. It's the number authentic.
Make sure when you do.
We have to also make a trip to New Mexico, and D'Angelo's asking, "Oh, I gotta get my passport. But why do you think we're laughing at? You don't need a passport.
The United States.
It's an American state.
Yeah.
So now you get it why we was laughing?
These are the kind of people you hiring, man?
I'm trying to educate, do something for the community. Stop texting and driving.
Oh, this
is a bad example.
I'm just reading it. Like,
your phone is dry. You have nobody hitting you up.
I want some talking like you said the twins. 20, yeah.
What's the difference between a bull and a cow?
I don't know.
You don't know. Would you like to know?
Yes.
Make a guess first.
Come on, make
One guess. No, one guess,
They're
right?
both mammals.
Right now, we just got to the Marriott. We're going to the UC Davis campus right now to go bowling. Should be a good time.
pick up some college girls?
No.
No?
Just gonna plan on smoking all Yale right now.
We out here. We're at UC Davis. We're gonna do a quick match of bowling. We're gonna eat, and then we're gonna go take a nap.
That's right. Oh, that was good.
Ooh, almost. What's your opinion on that?
Not bad.
Not bad for...
He needs to put a little bit of hook on it though. That ain't gonna get it. Hey, here goes D'Angelo with the solid roll. And it's under the gutter. Gutter ball.
I mean, I have to carry like 12, because you know each shirt.
This year I think it's 120.
How you feeling today?
A little cold.
Knocked out mostly all of them. Probably like did 10 units or so.
That's how we do it, grappling style.
We're gonna
I'm just kidding.
do like 2-3 more, and then 8-hour drive back to SoCal. Real fun, huh? No, not everything is perfect, but there's a little hiccup in it. I just lift the vinyl up a little bit. You see right now it looks like it's like gonna look. Just dash it with some snow. This is snow. Dash it with some snow, and then you just do some little baby strokes. I'll bring it to you in a second. You can't take a joke.
whole entire life I can.
These on the table?
Yeah, just grab and go. Oh, he's stealing.
That's the white one.
Call me Syrup Bay. Yo, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. If you like our brand, if you want to see us more do more of this crazy stuff, make sure you visit our shop, shop.raplegends.com. It's also on our website. We appreciate all the love and support. Thank you.